Greetings, my fellow garden enthusiasts. Well, I am super excited because today, episode 2 of Becoming Self-Sufficient has dropped on YouTube. I've left a link on my Facebook page if you would love to go check that out. I certainly would love you to check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you do like what you see. So today, guys, we had a few extra scraps left over in the fridge. They're starting to go a little bit off, and we're on our way to the supermarket, unfortunately, to go buy some more fresh fruit and vegetables. Hopefully, before I know it, I'll be growing them all in my own backyard and we won't need to make trips like that. But anyway, what I've decided to do with these scraps today is to turn them into a small compost pile. So I'll be digging out a little bit of this garden bed here and making a small hole where I can fill in with all the scraps from the fridge. I'm going to add in a little bit of pre-packaged compost just to get the process moving along a little bit faster. The soil underneath the lemon tree here is pretty good, but I think it's important that we add the extra nutrients in so we can get the process moving a little bit faster and the worms will move in nice and quickly. So I'm just cutting up the vegetable scraps at the moment, trying to speed up that breakdown process a little bit faster, and also it just makes everything a little bit more accessible for the worms to come up and eat. Now, when creating a compost pile, guys, it's important that you use something green and something brown. So that's why I'm actually adding in a part of the sugarcane mulch here, because this is predominantly green waste, meaning it's somewhat still alive. We need to make sure that we're adding in some dead material. That just aids bringing in the beneficial bacteria for both brown and green compost materials. So I'm just going to fill in a little bit now with the existing compost mix and also put in some extra soil from the garden before I hose it down. Because like any good compost mix, you need a bit of moisture in there to get the process going as well. Well, thanks for watching this short clip, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my latest episode, episode 2 on Becoming Self-Sufficient. As I said before, the link is on my Facebook page, or you can head over to my YouTube channel, Becoming Self-Sufficient. Have a great day.